Godot Performance versus Unity explores which game engine delivers better performance for developers. Both engines offer unique strengths and workflows, but their performance characteristics can significantly impact your game development experience and final product quality. Godot and Unity are two leading game engines used worldwide. The core difference lies in their architecture and optimization approaches. Godot is open source with lightweight design, while Unity is a mature, feature-rich engine with extensive platform support and advanced rendering capabilities. Godot is a fully open-source game engine known for its modular architecture and lightweight core. It uses a custom rendering engine optimized for 2D and 3D games with a focus on minimal overhead and efficient resource management. Godot's scene system allows developers to build games using reusable nodes, which can improve runtime performance by organizing game logic cleanly. Its scripting language, GDScript, is designed for speed and ease of use, though it may not match the raw performance of compiled languages. Godot supports multi-threading and GPU acceleration, but its rendering pipeline is less mature compared to Unity's, which can limit performance in highly complex 3D scenes. The engine excels in rapid development cycles and is ideal for indie developers or small studios prioritizing flexibility and control over every aspect of performance. However, Godot may require more manual optimization for large-scale or graphically intensive projects due to fewer built-in advanced optimizations. Unity is a widely adopted commercial game engine with a robust and highly optimized performance profile. It supports C scripting compiled to native code, offering strong execution speed and control. Unity's rendering engine is advanced, with support for high-fidelity graphics, real-time global illumination, and hardware-accelerated pipelines like URP and HDRP. This allows Unity to handle complex 3D environments and large-scale games efficiently. Unity also offers extensive profiling and optimization tools, helping developers identify and resolve bottlenecks quickly. Its mature ecosystem includes a vast asset store and numerous integrations, reducing development time and improving performance indirectly. However, Unity's feature-rich nature can introduce overhead, particularly in smaller projects or those with simpler requirements. Additionally, licensing costs and closed-source architecture might limit customization for some developers. Unity is best suited for developers targeting multiple platforms, including consoles and AR/VR, who need a powerful engine with comprehensive support and scalability. When comparing Godot and Unity performance, the choice depends on project scope and priorities. Godot's lightweight design excels in 2D games and smaller 3D projects where control and customization matter most. Its open-source nature allows in-depth engine tweaks, but requires more hands-on optimization. Unity, in contrast, shines in large-scale, graphically intensive games with complex physics and lighting, thanks to its mature rendering pipeline and compiled scripting. Unity's profiling tools simplify performance tuning across platforms, while Godot's community-driven updates continue to improve efficiency. For indie developers focusing on rapid iteration and open customization, Godot offers excellent value. For studios needing cutting-edge graphics and multi-platform reach, Unity provides superior out-of-the-box performance and scalability. The trade-off is between Godot's lightweight flexibility and Unity's powerful but potentially heavier framework. Choose Godot if you prioritize open-source flexibility, lightweight performance, and control for smaller or 2D-focused projects with a need for custom optimization. Unity is the better choice for developers targeting high-end 3D graphics, multi-platform deployment, and advanced optimization tools. Its mature ecosystem and powerful rendering capabilities make it ideal for complex, scalable games that demand consistent performance across the